to the historically accurate princess dances. Today we're doing a holiday edition with an Irish jig for St. Patrick's Day, because we know that leprechauns love to dance jigs. So take an adventure with us for an Irish jig line dance for St. Patrick's Day. And remember to like and subscribe to our line below, and check out all my videos at www.adventuresindance.com. Step 1, heel, toe, heel, right and left. It looks like this. Heel, toe, heel, step. Heel, toe, heel, step. If you're feeling a little saucy, you can syncopate the step and go heel, toe, heel, and tap. Heel, toe, heel, and tap. Step 2, heel, heel in front. It looks like this. Heel, heel with your right foot, then step. Heel, heel, then step with your left. Step 3, 4 quick heels, alternating right and left. It looks like this. Heel and heel and heel and heel and. Step 4, jig forward and back. It looks like this. It looks like this. Right, left, triple step, left, right, triple step, right, left, triple step. When you put it all together, it looks like this. Do holidays make you want to dance? St. Patrick's Day is a delightful holiday to dance an Irish jig. For my St. Patrick's Day dance party, I put together this lovely Leprechaun Irish Jig dance. Have fun learning this dance. So everyone's favorite Irish holiday is St. Patrick's Day. As a youth, St. Patrick was kidnapped by Irish and taken to Ireland around 400 AD. He escaped his captors and returned to England as an adult. After he was ordained a priest, he returned to Ireland to convert them to Catholicism. He used a 3-leaf clover to explain the Holy Trinity and drove the snakes of paganism out of Ireland. For this, March 17th, the date of his birth, is celebrated worldwide. So how did leprechauns come to be associated with the saint's holiday? Leprechauns predate St. Patrick and are the cobblers and bankers of the Fae. Their favorite dance is a jig, and some suggest they dance holes in their shoes so they became cobblers. In 1959, leprechauns became associated with St. Patrick's Day when Disney released the film Darby O'Gill and the Little People. The Irish love to dance, and the jig is their favorite dance. The jig comes from the French word to jump. The Irish jig was promoted by Queen Elizabeth I during the Renaissance period. This hoppy, happy dance has been an Irish favorite for centuries. So remember to like and subscribe to our line below and check out all our videos at www.adventuresindance.com.